Good morning, guys. So I just woke up, made my bed, put my gym clothes on, and I'm gonna work out today because I didn't work out yesterday and I've been feeling kind of like sluggish. It's because I've been going to bed really late, so I haven't been waking up for my workouts, but I'm also like not feeling good about how my body's looking, considering I've been like really on top of my game. And so today I need to get back into that, get in my game, don't let the holidays screw me over. And it's okay. It's okay to have days where you feel like you're not on track and you're not eating the best that you should be. But you know what? That's all a part of the journey, and you don't give up. You continue to just keep on keeping on. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to eat really well, we're going to work out, and we're going to get back into the swing of things. So I'm going to go get a workout in. Here's my little workout fit. Can you guys see that? So I finished my workout, I made myself some breakfast, and I'm starting my shift. I just did chicken sausage, some scrambled eggs, and then a vanilla premier protein espresso. I'm gonna go ahead and eat and start my morning. It's gonna be a busy week. It's been super busy, and yesterday was just Monday, you know what I mean? Here we go. Hello, my loves. I am off of work, and Steph and I are going to get ready to go for a run, which is why I have this on, because the cold air, breathing that in is no fun. So I have it wrapped all the way around my head. But yeah, we're going to go for a run because we didn't get to run this morning, and then we have to go to the store to pick up some stuff for tomorrow's dinner, and then yeah, I don't really know what else we're doing tonight. I think tonight I have to do some laundry and pack. As you can see, I started sorting it already. Then I have to go to my work because I forgot to go earlier today to pick up stuff. So yeah, tonight's just gonna be one of those, it's been one of those days, but it's also gonna be one of those nights. So we'll see how it goes. Just buy every little candy they see.
What?
Welcome to the Chronicles.
I bought no candy. I bought chips and donuts.
Remember when we were healthy?
That was like before you walked.
But I did get this. Okay, guys, today got away from me, and we ended up going to the store, and I had to run errands, and I had to go to my work, and I had to go drop a firewall off to my coworker, and there was just like a lot of stuff I had to do, so I didn't have time to really film. Plus today freaking sucked. It was literally so busy, so crazy, and it's not fun. So today's vlog is pretty short, so we're probably going to be combining Vlogmas 15 with 16. Alright? Alright. Good morning, guys. I just got out of the shower. I did a really quick workout today. Had time to shower. It's almost time to start my shift. Put my hair stuff in. So for the heat protectant that I like to use, I use the Tresemme Thermal Creations. This is like one of my favorite things that I've used for years. Then I do the It's a 10 keratin spray, which I'm running out of. It's so sad. Do the blonde from It's a 10, and this is every time I wash my hair, guys. And I don't wash my hair very often, maybe every 2 to 3 days, but that's pretty much, these are the things that I use all the time to make my hair feel nice and flabulous. So this is a new thing that I've been adding in. This is the resistance serum from Kerastase. I don't know. My hair girl put me on this and told me that it was bomb, and she used it on my hair when she did it last, and it was bomb. So I do about 2 pumps, which looks like that, and then I also run that through my hair. I try to focus most of the product towards the ends of my hair because I feel like I usually have pretty dead ends. This stuff smells so good. So yummy. And then after I put all this product in, I just comb through it with a wet brush. This is just the Wet and Dry by Kala. And brush it so that I can evenly distribute all that product. Pretty much what I do when I'm getting my hair prepped for, I guess, like after a wash. And the reason I put heat protectant in it is because I always put heat on my hair. It may not be today, but I'll do it. But today for sure I'm gonna do it because we're having dinner. So later tonight when I'm getting ready, I will curl it. But yeah, now we're ready for the day. Let's get to work. Alright guys, it is lunchtime and I have a crap ton of errands to run. I need to go to Walmart into the dollar store because I forgot to get fluff for Cody's basket, and then I need to get some things from Walmart. I can't remember what. What did I need to get from Walmart? I think it was a table and something else. I feel like it was something I ran out of today. And I was like, oh, I can get this at Walmart because it's cheaper. Laundry detergent. And I'm gonna actually, hey Siri, set a reminder for me today at 12:05 to get laundry detergent.
Okay, added to today's reminder.
What did I just say it was? Oh my god, guys, where's my mind? See, this is the problem that I have a lot with my mind. I forget stuff all the freaking time. Yesterday I was having the hardest time concentrating and I have no idea why. I just said it too. A table. Hey Siri, set a reminder at 12:05 to get a table from Walmart and laundry detergent. Plus I need fluff from the dollar store.
Okay, added to today's reminders.
That's how we do it, Siri. That's literally how I have to live my life because I forget everything, you guys. So I'm actually gonna head out to Walmart because I have to go get this stuff. There's a dollar store right next to it, and yeah, I'm excited. And then I have to come back and make, oh my god, my eye. Y'all, allergies are no joke. Like, I'm always itching my eyes. But anyways, then I have to come back and make those candles, like those last minute candles. I also have to print out a picture. I need to do that right now before I head out. That way it can be done by the time I get there. Let's do it. Okay. I need to get a picture of me and Jonathan and send it to CVS to get printed out. Sometimes my stupid Wi-Fi just plays me. Like, it just freaking plays me and it doesn't want to work. We're gonna send photos to CVS for them to print because the little sentimental gift that I have for Jonathan is actually a picture of us. So I need to get, is that the picture? This is true life here. Okay, we're gonna go to library months. Go all the way to January because this was for New Year's. So crazy, like how fast this year has gone, you guys. It is insane. Okay, this is the one that I'm gonna do for me and Jonathan. Look how freaking cute that is. So we're gonna go ahead and send that to myself, and then we're gonna make him a picture frame today. I want to finish it today because he leaves tomorrow and I have to do it before he gets home. So I'm probably gonna have to do that on my lunch and do the candles later. This is so much. There's so much going on today because we have the party as well. So here I go. I'm about to make his picture sent. Okay, I just put some of this dollar store fluff into Cody's basket. It just looks like this. It's just shreds. That's what I put in his parents' baskets. I might actually put more in theirs just to kind of floof it up. But here's the basket I got Cody. Really cute. We're just going to stick a little Santa guy in there. And then Cody is a sucker for candy, sweets, like literally anything that's sweets. So I'm getting him some Kit Kats, some Reese's, some Sour Patch Kids, some Sour Punch straws, some Ghirardelli chocolate, and then I'm gonna make him a candle. And I got him this really nice scalp massager just because, like, I love this stuff. Like, I love anything that, like, is gonna massage my head, and I know that he'll like that. So we're gonna put that in there. I also got him some more Reese's, but these are gonna be holiday themed. Hard doing this all with one hand, y'all. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, and then I actually also got him some socks, just some cute little Christmas socks. So, little holiday Christmas socks, and then I got these on clearance at Walmart. They're literally just holiday lights that take AA battery to light up. So I figured this would be cool to just put inside of his basket. I'll show you guys. Y'all, 99 cents. Can you beat that? Like, look how cute they are. They're little gnomes. So I just am gonna give him like the basket like that. Super cute. I think it looks so cute, and like you can literally do this with dollar store stuff, which is like the best part about it, because I got this from the dollar store, this from the dollar store, Walmart, dollar store. Like, you don't have to spend $1 billion to make a cute little basket. You know what I mean? Like, this was super cheap. Even though this was like at Walmart, this was like $2. That was $1. You know what I mean? These lights, 99 cents. Like, and even if they weren't, like, if they weren't 99 cents, they would be $1.98 normal price. So, super cute idea, super cute basket. I think he's gonna like it. Totally forgot to add the finishing touch. Little family portrait in there for him. So cute. Okay, y'all. I'm going to make some of the stuff for the candles right now. There's some old candle stuff in there, so it's kind of sounding like things are on fire. But I'm just going to take the beeswax that comes with my candle making kit. And I have to make a few candles, so I'm just going to use quite a bit of this beeswax. So we're basically just going to let this melt up for a while, because I just put like a whole bag in here. But we're just gonna melt this. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. So here we have the beeswax in there. We're letting it just kind of melt up. Also, for tonight's dinner, y'all, Steph made birria tacos. So I'm really excited to eat them because I tried it and it was bomb. As we all know, Steph never makes anything that's not bomb, so we're gonna just let this keep on melting. It's gonna take a little bit of time just because I put so much in there, but it's totally fine. We will be all good. So I'm gonna let that melt up. I'll come back to check on it in a few, because it should be okay for it. So the candle wax is all melted now. I'm letting it cool off because you have to let it cool off. I forget to what temperature, but it's somewhere in my directions. But now I just have these little tins that I'm going to fill up. One is for Priscilla, one is for Sunshine, and then I'm going to do this one for Cody just because I like the way it looks. Before it cools off too much, you're going to want to see if, one, you want to put any color in it. We have green, orange, yellow, pink, blue, and like a purple. So I'm going to try some of this purple for Priscilla's and see what happens. And I'm literally just going to like break it off. Priscilla's will have pink and purple just because I feel like that just makes sense. So I have her color in here, if you guys can even see that. There we go. And then for Sunshine, because she is my sunshine, I'm actually going to make hers yellow because I just feel like that makes sense. And then for Cody's, I kind of want to do like blue because I just think that'll look really pretty in that glass. So I'm going to cut some blue for him. Some in here for Sunshine. Or that one's for Priscilla. Ooh. I forgot one thing. Okay, I totally forgot this step, guys, and that is to add the little sticky thing to your wick and then place it in the bottom of your tin like this. And then you'll cut it to size. For Cody's, I actually bought him a candle warmer, so I'm not going to put a wick in his. Okay, so now that it's kind of cooled down, I'm just going to throw a little bit of scent in there. For Cody's, I did some Ocean Breeze and Sandalwood, but I'm also going to throw a little bit of lavender for some cooling. For Priscilla's, I want to do lavender. Rose, I think that would smell really pretty. So we'll do that. Ooh, actually doesn't smell too bad. Okay, so we are currently getting ready for our dinner. I just decided to be super casual, wear black jeans, black boots, black shirt, and a very nice oversized flannel, super cute. I'm wearing the jewelry that I got from Mordu. I think that's how you say it. You guys remember my friend Roger, her cousin actually started her own jewelry business, so that is her jewelry. So freaking cute. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. And then just some hoops. This is my makeup for the day. Oh, these lashes that I'm wearing are actually from Dramatica Lashes. These are the Lash Luna. So freaking cute. This is actually one of my longtime OG subscribers. She started her own lash company, and y'all, cute or what? Are they not so freaking cute? So yeah, that's pretty much the fit. Here's what we have going on. I'll show you guys. I'm also doing laundry, but there you go. Super cute. And I just curled my hair today instead of wanding it.
Those are the tamales I made. Here's the birria tacos that Stephanie made. Bam. 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 Birria. Now decorating our little gingerbread men and our Christmas trees. Oh, thank you. We bought some glitters and sprinkles for us to decorate these little guys. Baby, you're not decorating.
We're already doing it?
Yeah, we started.
Dangling in the cocaine is right up in the anus. Oh, brain is right up in the spot where you're supposed to be. Been coaching me. Happy as I ever been. Having like, what the fuck is a hammock? It's up in the kitchen like, what the fuck is a sandwich? We need balance. Baby, I don't have time for this.
Ashley just stole Steph's gift. I feel like you can only steal once, right? Oh. Let's see what Steph has now. She really wants those at a point.
Wait!
And an H&M gift card. That's dope. Yeah. That's Erica. That was college Erica.